Welcome to Conscious Crypto Creator. My name is Paulin Byusa. I am co-founder and CEO of Avenir, which is a savings and investment platform for the next generation of diverse investors. Crypto is one such technology, and it's ushering us into an era of an entirely new digital asset class that will transform the financial system as we know it. And we've seen this before with the industrial age, technology age, the information age, where a large percentage of people are left out, leapfrogged, and forgotten. And most often, that's minorities. And so what I'd like to share really is how unique crypto is and how it empowers people who've been historically excluded from financial systems, people of color, women, immigrants, and so on. And the reason I tell you this is we're entering an asset class where people are actually thinking not only about transacting, but also the peer-to-peer purchasing of financial assets that don't involve any intermediary like a bank or government. So why is this important? Well, traditionally, the pathway to building wealth was very limited, if not blocked off to most people of color, especially in the US. Owning digital assets represents an opportunity to build equity without permission. And while building a startup or even joining one on the ground requires VC connections and trust, crypto is unbiased, which means to own digital assets actually offers a much more level playing field. And so crypto represents this new opportunity and model for digital ownership that's open to all,